Good afternoon, my name is María Basora. In this story, I got to talk about the topic the nature. The nature is all around us, and deeping of our livelihood, the natural is more important for me. The natural is need for all the life. The natural is the more important for the people live, but some people are disagree and reserve our nature. If you destroy the nature, you go to die very early. If you save the environment, you can get natural good. If our people or parents could destroy throw garbage in the street, you are contributing to destruction of nature. Preserve the environment and you save the nature.